Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Today we are drawing 2D shapes. Let's start. Pie. What we draw? We are drawing pie. What is this? Pie. Now it's drawing right triangle. What is this say, kids? Right triangle. Right triangle. Now we are drawing oval. What is this? Oval shape. Oval. Now we are drawing rhombus. What is this, kids? It's a rhombus shape. Rhombus. Now we are drawing a square. What shape, kids? A square. Now we are drawing triangle. What is this? It's a triangle. Let's learn some colors, kids. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute colors. Let's learn yellow color, gray color, sky blue color, purple color, red color, orange color, blue color, yellow green color, forest green color. Look at this, kids. Let's try your violet color. Pastel violet color, black color, black color, warm gray color, warm gray color, vivid green color, vivid green color, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, olive green color. Let's learn 2D shapes. Pie, right triangle, oval, rhombus, square, triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.